Welcome to ENERQUALITY's Green Renovation Project of the Year. Let's go inside and meet the builder and his clients. Okay, let me ask the easy question. When did you buy this house?
In 2016.
December 2016.
And you bought it with the intention of renovating it right away, or you lived a little while, or was it always part of the plan?
It's always part of the plan because it needed work when we bought it, but no, we lived in it until, when did we start? 2024? So we lived in it quite a while.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did you start with a set of designs or set of principles about how you wanted to build something in this space? Or was it a financial question? Because I know we've talked about the financial differences between this kind of renovation and a conventional one. In the end, they're not that far apart.
Well, you're paying more for added insulation and attention to the air barrier, but in terms of a typical, you've invested in a better building envelope as opposed to super expensive finishes, and that's the cost is comparable to a typical conventional renovation.
And there were several aspects that we wanted in our house. So we wanted it to be a passive house. We wanted it to be able to have solar power. We wanted to capture rainwater. There were things about it that were unique and thinking about the materials. And most of the architects that we spoke to were like, oh, this sounds really cool. I'd love to try doing this. And Terrell was like, oh yeah, this is cool. I've done this lots of times. And we were like, okay, we want somebody that knows what they're doing.
It's not an easy project. That's clear. You got great clients who are committed to a set of principles. You bring in your expertise. So tell me about one feature that stands out in your mind that you've added to this house.
Nate and Shannon were willing to keep making choices that were the best possible, even if it meant they had to go without. And there was an interest in natural plasters, earthen plasters, which has this straight clay. But if you can buy the clay, let me see what I can do with my natural building network and my friends. Hired a band, ordered a bunch of pizza, had a bunch of beverages, and I just started calling people that I knew from the green building world. And in one day, we finished this home in natural plasters, and that's what you've got.
We're here because this is an award-winning home.
Yeah.
So with that, for our friend.
Okay. Well, this home would have been impossible. It would have been impossible without your involvement and willingness to do this. So this award is really to be shared, and this is for you.
Oh.
There you go. Green renovation of the year, and it's well deserved, guys.
It is a beautiful home. I will say the one thing I noticed when I walked in is how calm it is. Right? You got a busy street, you got construction across the way. You walked in, it got quiet, calm, temperature's great, great views. So congratulations on building a great home.
Thank you.
Congratulations on enjoying a great house.
Thank you.
And I guess to all of our friends watching, we'll see you soon.